Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and today we have a new position in, looking for a landscape gardener in the maintenance area in high-end residential, and the company are based in Linfield in New South Wales. So if you're interested in getting an apprenticeship in this area, keep watching this video. So as I mentioned, today we picked up a position for an apprentice landscaper, and it's mainly in the maintenance division of a company which are in the North Shore suburbs of Sydney around Linfield, and they specialise in high-end residential garden maintenance. So we're looking for somebody here who is preferably in the junior category, somebody who does have their license and own transport so that they can get to site each day, because you will be working on a different site every day, and someone who's got a very keen interest in the horticulture industry. They'll do anything from your typical mowing, whippersnipping, hedging, pruning, and general cleanup of gardens. As we mentioned earlier, this is for high-end residential. There is certainly a attention to detail that they're looking for in this particular role. So if you're out there just looking for a job and not necessarily a career within the horticulture industry, this probably isn't the right one for you. But if this is something that you've looked at and thought, yeah, horticulture is really the area that I can see myself working in, then this is certainly worthwhile having a look at. We would like to consider somebody who's maybe even completed their Certificate 2 in horticulture already to show that they've got a keen interest in that area, or even somebody that's maybe been doing some part-time work in this particular area over the years, and again can demonstrate that they've got a very keen interest in this field. This position is an immediate start. As soon as we can find the right person, then our client is ready to go, and it is on a full-time basis. We prefer somebody from more towards the northern suburbs of Sydney. That way you're not stuck with tolls and a lot of travel to be able to get to work. So if you know anybody who you feel as though may be interested in this particular role, or you might even be interested in it yourself, then we will leave a link in the description below on how to apply. Please feel free to share this video with anybody that you may think might be interested, and don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification button so that as future positions come through, you can be the first one to get notified and get your application in there straight away. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.